Oh, she grabbed it. She grabbed it. There's the fangs inside her. There you go. That was quick. So she got the fangs inside the neck of the mouse. What's going on, everybody? It's Pet Plus_info. Today we're doing a live feeding, my very first live feeding for my Sturmy Goliath bird eater. There she is there. We are feeding her this tiny little mouse here. And this would be the first time me feeding her anything like a mouse or to that extent. So yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes. And this mouse is very fast. We're gonna put her up there, and when the tarantula sees it, tarantula will grab it. I am shaking. Oh, she grabbed it. She grabbed it. There's the fangs inside her. There you go. That was quick. So she got the fangs inside the neck of the mouse. She is injecting her venom. Starting from the beginning, I'm so sorry. This is Pet Plus_info. Y'all make sure y'all, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channels. And if possible, I need that thumbs up. I need the likes. It does help the channel's growth. So please, if y'all don't mind, hit the thumbs up. I need as many thumbs up as possible. I still haven't named her. Again, this is a Sturmy Goliath bird eater. This is my very first time feeding her a mouse or lizard or whatever. I do have 5 other tarantulas that I wouldn't go to this extent in feeding them mice. This is the only one that I will be feeding mice due to the fact that it's very good for them. You won't have to feed them for probably another 3 or 4, probably 3 weeks to my understanding. I watched a YouTuber he was feeding his Goliath bird eater a mouse, and the process, I think it was like a 26-hour process. From what I'm understanding is that they inject the venom. The venom will liquefy all of the organs inside the mouse, and they would suck all of the juices out inside out. Basically, the mouse would look like it's turned inside out at the end of the feeding. This is a long process. It's a long feeding. I'm not going to sit here and try to record the entire thing, but I will keep y'all posted. Right now, this video has been going for 4 minutes. My wife is recording too, y'all. She wants to see it. So we're going to move that tank over so she can record. So yeah. This is what it looked like. Yeah, this could be a long process as far as feeding. It would take her hours to finish this. And I decided to feed my Goliath bird eater the mice rather than the crickets and the dubia roaches that I have, because you won't have to feed them that often. As you can see, her abdomen back here is pretty small. I just got her. My wife just bought this for me, I think 5 or 6 days ago, something like that. And if you can see that the back of her abdomen is fairly small. What we're trying to do, we're trying to fatten her up, and I'm hoping that this mouse will do that. You can see she has the fangs inside her. I'm sorry. She has the fangs. She just this is very interesting, not only for you all, but for me as well. Again, I have 5 other tarantulas that I would never feed them mice or anything like that. So this is a learning experience to me as well. But this, Amy. Okay, I apologize. I had to cut the video real quick. But again, yeah, this is my Sturmy or Sturmai Goliath bird eater. The mouse is down. I don't know what she's gonna do from here. I don't know if she killed it because it was in her territorial. Or did she kill it and maybe she's gonna eat it later? As you can see, she's she's a good size. Her legs alone are probably 2 inches long. There's the mouse. She just got the mouse just sitting in the water. Parental discretion is definitely advised. And this is a very graphic video in the animal world. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here, and I'm gonna start me another video, and we'll go from there. This is Pet Plus _info. If you're not following, please follow me, subscribe to the channel. Also, I need the likes. If y'all don't mind, please hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel growth big time. This is my Sturmy Goliath bird eater. I have given her a mouse. I will post that video after this of how it actually went down and how she killed it. But this is the only tarantula that I have fed or tried to feed a live mouse. To my understanding, they can take it down with no problem. I don't know what her plans are from now. She did take it out. The mouse is dead. I don't know if she's gonna save it for later. I don't know what she's gonna do. I don't know if she killed it because it was in her enclosure. Maybe she's protecting her surroundings. I don't know where it's gonna go from here. But for those who are into the don't kill the animals and all that, this is nature at its best. I do highly suggest you to carry on, maybe go to another video and watch this. This video is very graphic, and parental discretion is definitely advised. I'm trying to get a good picture. I don't know if y'all can see those fangs. Those fangs are humongous. The process of eating this mouse, from what I've seen on YouTube of people that I'm following, this can be a whole day process of trying to eat this mouse. So I don't know how long it's going to be for me. This is my very first time giving her a mouse. I've only had her for 5 or 6 days now. My wife, Mrs. Pet Plus underscore info, she bought this as a gift to me. It's something I've been wanting for a long time, and she bought it for me a few days, about a week, not even a week ago, but something like that. And I'm very excited. These tarantulas, for those who don't own one and may be interested in buying one, I'm letting you know right now that these tarantulas are very aggressive. They are very, quote unquote, greedy. They like to eat. So I do warn you, if you do have a Goliath birdie, to do not stick your hand in your enclosure, because it's gonna think you're food, and it's gonna pounce on you, and it's gonna sink them fangs in you. I promise you it will. So yeah, for those who don't own one, I'm letting you know now. They are very aggressive tarantulas. They are they are definitely TNT. Definitely TNT. Do not stick your hand in your Goliath birdie's enclosure. Do not do it. You will get bit. So yeah, she's grabbing the mouse. Oh, this is so interesting, y'all. I don't know if y'all see the fangs. Look at those fangs, y'all. Look how long those fangs are. Look at those fangs. Beautiful animal. Beautiful tarantula. Those fangs are humongous. Let's get out there. Let's see. Also, I haven't named her, y'all. I haven't given her a name yet. Again, this is a Sturmy or Sturmy Goliath bird eater. I'm looking for a name for her. So please leave a comment and any name suggestions, or you can leave them in the comment. Again, y'all, for those who are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you. I appreciate all the views. I see that y'all like certain videos, and I appreciate all the views, definitely. But if you don't mind, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I also need that thumbs up. Please, if y'all don't mind, please hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel's growth big time. I need the thumbs up. So please give the thumbs up if y'all can. Share these videos, or share the videos that you're interested in. I will greatly appreciate that, man. Shout out to all of my followers, subscribers, all of the likes, the comments. I appreciate every last one of y'all. Again, I don't do this for money. I do not work for YouTube. I'm not interested in working for YouTube. I'm only interested in doing what I'm doing now and interacting with my subscribers. I want to interact with y'all. I want y'all to leave questions or comments. Even if you don't like me, comment and let me know that you don't like me. I can accept that. I just want y'all to interact with me. I don't do this for money. I don't want any money from this. This is just a passion of mine that my wife created, and we've been going strong from there. This is what we like to do. So yeah, I have so many videos of this particular tarantula, of her even taking the mouse down. So I don't know what order I'm going to put this in, but I'm going to put this video first as the introduction, and then the next video will be of the kill, of how she took it down. Again, for those who are pet lovers or mice lovers, I strongly advise you not to watch this video. You might want to move on to the next. This is human nature at its best, and this is how they eat in the wild. So I appreciate everything, y'all. I'm going to end this video. Again, please subscribe. If you're not, please hit that thumbs up. I'm begging y'all for the thumbs up and the share. Before I go, again, I'd like to give a shout out to Tarantula Cat and Tarantula Cat Collective. Those two are one of my favorites as far as watching videos and educating myself from their videos. They are the Tarantula Dictionary for me. So shout out to Miss Cat and Mr. Collective. I appreciate all of the education that you're putting out here for us, for new tarantula keepers and old. We appreciate all the education and everything. With that being said, it's Pet Plus _ info. Y'all stay blessed. I will be making more videos of this particular takedown to see where it's gonna go. I think she's gonna, from the looks of it, y'all, I think she's gonna take this mouse in her little tunnel there. It looks like that's where she's going. So I'm gonna end this video once she gets to see if she's gonna take it in. I end it once she gets it in there. I don't know where she's taking this mouse. She wants to eat in peace. Oh wow! All right, y'all. So there we go. She's taking it in the house. All right. Again, it's Pet Plus _ info. I appreciate y'all. We out of here.